Hello guys, welcome back to Android tutorials, and we are continuing our playlist of image to text scanner. And in this video I am going to apply the on click listener on our navigation items. So let's get started with today's video, image to text scanner navigation click listener. So we are going to first implement the navigation view dot on item on set navigation item selected. So implements navigation view dot set on navigation item selected. This will generate an error, so we have to click on this red bulb and we have to implement this method and click on OK. So we will find this method, and first we are going to set the click listener in our navigation view. So first navigation view dot set navigation item click listener and pass the context or click listener to be this. Now we are going to add the three intents and one drawer closure, one feedback button which will open the mail, and share and rate functionality. So let's get started with the applying all the things. So first return true, and we have to type here switch and type item dot get item id, and here we are going to start our switch and write all the cases first. So first r dot id dot home, and here it is, and then implement or first copy all these cases and then one by one add break to all. So this is our first step. So I am using this. So first image, then it will be camera, share or feedback, then it will be share, and next item will be rate, and apply the break to all of them. So writing break and copy this code. So here I had written this much break to everyone, and then let's start with first drawer closure. So when user click on home button, it will be in the dashboard activity only, so it is not good practice to just left home as it is. So we are going to close our drawer. So when user open the drawer, they will show an home icon. So when user click on home button, then we are going to close our drawer layout. So drawer layout dot close drawer gravity compact start. So gravity compact dot start. So here we had completed the implementation of this home, and now we have to create the two Java class and then one layout resource file. I will tell you the uses of that in our next video, but now just create the classes. So here I am using image activity and then add that class and then click on new Java class, and here we are going to use camera activity, and remember we are going to use only one root element, so root layout file, and another we are going to work on two Java classes with only one root layout. So first create that layout also. So first create not Kotlin class. So here we are going to create layout new and layout resource file, and here it will be in Java. So write result activity, result underscore activity, and then click on OK. So here we had created the activity. Now click on the Java classes that you had recently created and extend them with app compact activity, and you will find then on create method. So implement that on create method, and then set the content view. So set content view, and pass our layout. So our layout is result activity. So this is the thing that you first find when you create new activity, but in this video, in this we have created it manually by using just one layout. Now this will again generate an error because we had not defined this in our manifest file. So first came to manifest file, and then here you have to create the activity. So write activity, and then give that both activity, means define that both activity. So now come to our dashboard activity, and we are going to start one new intent. So intent or write image intent. So press alt enter to resolve that error, and then we have to create new of intent, and then pass this as a context. If it don't work, then write full activity name. So dashboard activity dot this, and then pass the pass the activity name where we have to transfer, so to class activity, and then give class name, and then start activity to image. So here we had started the image activity, and then copy this same code and paste it in the camera folder, and change the intent name to be camera, and then to camera activity, and start activity camera. And then we had completed the implementation of home, image, and camera. Now we are going to implement another another three items, which is feedback, share, and rate. This is the most interesting part, so let me show you. This will not tell by any other YouTuber. So let's get started with the implementation. So here we are going to create one new intent, and that name will be feedback, and then is equal to new intent, then write intent dot send action send to. After that close this, and then write feedback dot set data, and then write URI dot phrase, and then write string mail to, and then semicolon, and then close this. And then we have to write the subject text, and the email ID where we want this data to come. So here we are going to give our email ID. So write string, and then make it array, otherwise it will not shown. So here I am using mail, and then here we have to make this curly bracket and write your mail. So your mail @gmail.com. Here replace your Gmail with your own Gmail. So here I am using my email address, and then close it. After that we are going to give subject. So string subject and subject will be in the string format only. So here I am writing the feedback on text scanner, or we can write feedback on Android tutorials, and then write one more string for text, or you can say body. So here first we are going to write this thing, data that we want. So we need to identify which feedback is came from. So we are going to use um, feedback on text scanner, or we can write feedback on Android tutorials. You can replace the text with your own words. So here I am writing feedback on Android tutorials YouTube channel. So here we had made the three strings. Now here we are going to put these three strings into our feedback intent. So write feedback dot put extra, and then give string name to intent dot extra mail, or we can write, yeah, it is extra, and then find mail, but mail is not showing, so I am using subject. So subject is our subject only, and then give feedback dot put extra intent dot extra text, and then put our extra text, and set the mimi type of our data, so that mimi type will be text plain, but we are not going to set that in this. So write feedback dot put extra and write intent dot extra so here it is extra email. So here we have to pass our mail, and then close, and then start activity, and that activity name will be feedback. So here we had completed the feedback activity. So when user click on feedback, he will be redirected to the Gmail application or any other mail platform, and there he will find the email ID, to our all the email IDs that we had created in or written in this curly brackets, and subject will be either feedback on text scanner or feedback on Android tutorials, and title text will be this feedback on the text scanner or feedback on the Android tutorials YouTube channel, and then we are going to set this all the data and start our activity. Now it's time to share, implement the sharing functionality. So to share, again we have to write intent share is equal to new intent, and here we have to pass action send. So intent dot action send, and here we have to write the set type. So share dot set type. So it is necessary to give the idea what will be the output or input. So output will be text, plain text, and then here we are going to create the string for our application link. So share, it will be share link, and then write https://play.google.com/store/apps/detail, and then write details, then write question mark, and then give its id is equal to, this is the default URI, and then give get package context, application context. So here I had written get application context dot get package name, and then close this. So here we had created our shareable link, and then start our intent. So first we are going to set our share link. So start writing activity. So start activity intent dot create chooser, and here we have to write our share intent, and then next will be the title that we have to show. So share using, so you can see that our share link is not with that intent, so we are going to write share dot put extra, so intent dot extra text, and then pass the share link. So this will create the sharing functionality. Now it's time to implement the Ratus functionality. So to apply that Ratus functionality, we have to again create URI is equal to URI dot phrase, and then pass this complete string. So here I am copying this string and write this string here, and then erase this complete code and remove this unnecessary things. So you will resolve the error. So here we had resolved our error, and then close this. Now here we have to create intent and pass rate is equal to new intent, then start, or first write intent dot action view, then pass our URI, and then close this, start activity and write rate. So here we had completed our 6 functionality of feedback, share, rate, and the 3 intents. So if you had enjoyed our video, then please make sure you like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Android Tutorials to learn more Android tutorials. And if you had don't watch our previous video, then you can watch that, which is on the wallpaper app in Android Studio, and we had converted website into an Android app. So the link will be in the description, you can check it out, or you will also find it in the card here, I button. So thanks for watching Android tutorials.